actually no, let's just do one turn. See how that feels. Definitely not grabbing. I feel it grabbing just a tiny bit. Sorry if I scared anyone. Woo. Okay, so that's exactly how hard I can brake. Oops. I think I'm gonna tighten the brakes back. Let's see what that feels like. Now see, the problem is I feel it gripping immediately. So I guess it is gripping, it's just, it's not doing all that much when in comparison to the front brake, because the front brake really does the power. That feels fine. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Now to go get gas. That super glue hasn't actually solidified. That super glue, it's still not solidified.
It fell loose again?
No, it's still not even solidified. I assumed it was done enough, but it's still partially liquid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ignore that for the moment. I'm going to go get gas because I needed to anyhow. I don't know exactly how much I have left, but it's not a lot. So I'm going to go get gas, and then when I come back from getting gas, I'm going to super glue it again, and then let it sit and go on my computer and do stuff on my computer for a while it's sitting there. And hopefully if I let it sit for a long enough time, it'll solidify properly.